Good day folks, my name is Sean and this is Air Photography. Today I've got something a little bit different for you. Today's just going to be a flight video with the Insta360 One X2 mounted on the DJI FPV Drone. I've had some questions whether you can actually fly the drone with this camera mounted on it, and the answer is yes you can. It actually works quite well. Now the way I have it set up here, I've just got it connected with a GoPro mount. There are different vendors that are selling more stable mounts, I should say. I've got one on order from Small Rig. They have a nice little kit available, but it's not slated to be released until the end of this month. Ideally, you want your camera mounted higher up so it doesn't interfere with your GPS. But with the Insta360 camera here, I wanted it mounted more at the back, and that way you can kind of get a nice view of it flying from behind. And for the most part in this configuration, I was still able to get GPS signal. It was bouncing around between 15 and 17 satellites. So with all that said, let's just take a look at some of the footage and see how it turned out. Now I'm going to just leave the motor noise so you can hear how the engines are working. I started just in normal mode just to test it out. I didn't want to push it too hard until I made sure it was actually going to fly properly. But halfway through the video, you'll hear me switch into sport mode. You can hear the engines really rev up. And even in sport mode, flying at a high rate of speed, it still worked just fine. So yeah, that actually worked quite well. You can actually get pretty creative with these 360 cameras when doing videos like that. Of course, you're filming at 360 degrees all the way around you, so you can punch out different views. And if you don't want the drone in the shot, you can even just kind of punch it in a little bit, crop in. And you can see here in this clip now we're flying and you don't see the drone at all. And of course you can do that from every angle. You can do it from the side, the back, the top. Just you can't do it from the bottom because then the drone will be in view. On top of that, you can still make use of your deep tracking. You can just select an object on the screen and let the Insta360 One X2 track it. It does a pretty good job. Of course, the drone is a little bit in view there, but you can get rid of that again just by cropping. Well, folks, that's basically it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.